For decades, the industry treated the face like a canvas that needed to be sanded down and painted over. We aggressively exfoliated, peeled away layers, and covered up the resulting redness, often ignoring that the skin is a living, breathing organ. This trial-and-error approach has led to widespread consumer exhaustion. Millions are spent on products that promise results, but frequently end in a compromised skin barrier and wasted money. Those traditional methods reached a limit because they were entirely reactive. They focused on patching up the skin's visible hardware, while the underlying software running the system remained a mystery. The industry has moved towards skin longevity and prejuvenation. The new goal is to extend the health span of your cells and maintain their structural integrity over decades. Rather than waiting for damage to become visible before launching a chemical attack, modern dermatology relies on early, proactive intervention to support the skin's natural biology. If you are dealing with hormonal acne breakouts or the dullness that comes from chronic stress, scrubbing the surface of your face only addresses the symptom. The actual problem originates much deeper. To achieve true skin longevity, we have to look past the surface. We have to decode the biological root causes driving those changes. To see those root causes, we have to plunge straight through the visible surface. We go past the microbiome, through the lipid barrier, and down into the glowing, active network of your skin cells. This diagram outlines the biogenesis of microRNAs. These tiny, highly conserved molecules inside your cells act as master switches. At the sequence's bottom, the microRNA strand targets the messenger RNA. Here, they function as software, sending precise instructions directing cellular behavior. These microscopic messengers control which biological processes are turned on or off. They dictate exactly how much collagen your fibroblasts produce, how effectively your skin retains hydration, and whether an inflammatory response is triggered. Every single feature you observe on the surface of your face, the texture, the elasticity, the redness, is dictated by the invisible code written by these microRNAs. Historically, reading these microscopic messengers required an invasive tissue biopsy and a clinical laboratory. That barrier was removed in 2026 with the development of MySkinRNA's predictive AI modeling technology. This 3D mesh uses computer vision to identify micropatterns, tone variations, and texture anomalies. Vector lines connect these surface points to simulated molecular structures beneath. Finally, converging into a dashboard, the system translates visible symptoms into precise predictions of biological miRNA activity. This surface scan provides the data needed to remove the guesswork from dermatology. Routine care now relies on precision scientific discovery rather than a cycle of guessing. This interface displays predicted biomarker percentages, like miRAQP3A for hydration, identifying biological vulnerabilities before they manifest as wrinkles. These exact molecular scores feed directly into the recommendation engine, translating biological data into a personalized product routine for your cellular profile. Users are no longer applying serums to treat isolated, surface-level symptoms. They are proactively optimizing their skin's structural integrity over a lifetime. Aesthetic health now focuses on optimizing biological function rather than masking flaws or resisting the passage of time. Your skin's biological identity is entirely unique to you, and thanks to predictive modeling, its specific needs are now visible and measurable. Here is the MySkinRNA logo, integrating the DNA double helix to represent this exact science. By decoding your biological software today, you secure your skin's resilience and longevity for the future. Modern skincare has become an exact biological science.